So this IXL exercise is a combination of two IXLs that we did last week. Make sure you're in the correct one, Geometry T.1, Introduction to Surface Area and Volume. This is not an introduction for you. This is upper division mathematics. Do not get confused by that introduction word. It's more of review and also just reinforcement to make sure that you didn't forget it from last week. So the first question, what is the volume? When you're trying to calculate the volume of a geometric shape, you multiply the length times the width times the height. So here I have 6 times 10 times 6. So 6 times 10 times 6. It doesn't matter what order you go. You can do 10 times 6 times 6, which is actually easier. 6 times 6 is 36. 36 times 10 is 3,000. Oh, no, not 3,000. 360. Okay, let me try that. Perfect. Now it's asking me for the surface area. Some of you guys remember that cube model that I was using. So how many sides are in a cube? 6. 6 sides. This is the only geometric shape that this works for. Now what's the area of this square right here? 4 times 4, which is 16. Now 16 times 6, because there's 6 sides. 6 times 6 is 36. Carry the 3. 1 times 6 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So my surface area is 96 square centimeters. Okay, what is the volume? Okay, now it's volume. So volume is you multiply all three of those numbers. So what is, I'm going to do it, 7 times 5 is 35. 35 times 10 is 350. Okay, let's check that. Perfect. Now, what is the volume? 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Well, this is almost just too easy. I'm trying to get more surface area problems. 9 times 11. Let me see. 9 times 11 times 10. 9 times 11 is 99. 99 times 10 is 990. Let's type that in. I know I don't even need to write it down, but some of you need to visually look at it. What's the volume? Don't get confused with this. I almost did surface area for this. What's 4 times 4? 16. 16 times 4? 64. What's the volume? Oh, come on. IXL, give me a harder question. You know what? I'm not even going to write this. I'm just going to use a calculator. Calculator. All right, what was it? It was 13 times 20 times 5. 13 times 20 times 5. Oops. Now I forgot what it was. Oh yeah, 1,300. Yay. Okay, surface area. This is just too easy. 9 times 9 is 81. How many sides are there in a cube? 6. Oops. 486. Oh my gosh, where's the volume in here? Not the volume, the surface area. 35 times 35 times 35. How many sides? 6. 7, 3, 50. Oops. Oh, yay. It's asking for surface area. That was my issue. So I have 19 times 19 times 6, because there's 6 sides. 2166. Okay, this is the example I wanted to get to. So surface area, this is where your questions get really difficult. Do you see how you have two shapes that look like this one? So you have two shapes that are 7 by 17. So you have two shapes that look like that. 7 by 17. And then you have two shapes that are like the top one over here. So they're little. and they're 7, that's the length, because look at this length right here, by 5. So they're 7 by 5. What's 7 times 5? 35. Those are each 35. 7 times 17 is, hold that thought, because I'm going to get a calculator for that one. And then I have one more shape, which is this one right here, which is 5 by 17. And I have 2 of those. Alright, so 7 times 17. I'm going to have to save to my photos. 7 times 17. 119. And I have 2 of those. So let me see. So I have 2 of those. Was it 217? I hope I'm right. No, it was 119. Sorry, guys. So it's 119 plus 119 plus 35 plus 35 plus 7 times 5, 17 times 5, 17 times 5. 5, 85 and 85. So these are 85 and 85. So 85 plus 85 plus 119 plus 119 plus 35 plus 35 is my answer. So 85 plus 85 plus 119 plus 119 plus 35 plus 35. Oh, hi, Tay-Tay. 478. Okay. Here we go. It's 478. I'm going to be really mad if this is wrong. Yay! What's the surface area? Okay, 26 times 26, there's 6 sides. So 26 times 26 times 6 sides, 40, 56. 40, 56. Yay! 8 by 8, 64, 6 sides. 64 times 6, 384. Okay. Volume, 20 times 20 times 20. You can do that.